as a church leader, I am impressed by the spirit of understanding, the spirit of commitment, the opportunity and ability for people to share, but also to listen to one another.
Les églises de l'Afrique savent ce qu'elles font et savent où elles veulent aller.
We are one. We have one hope. We have more or less similar things that we want to achieve as member churches.
My expectations of this assembly is that we form relationships with other regions and ensure that we are building towards one body, one spirit, and one hope.
Nous saluons vraiment la maturité des délégués qui ont délibéré dans des questions avec une maturité et une humilité qui a permis à tous et à chacun de se sentir dans le thème qui est un seul corps, un seul esprit et une seule espérance.
I have a strong feeling that we really enriched each other through fellowship, through prayer, through worship. So the pre-assembly for me was a beautiful moment, but also to express gratitude to God for the witness and the stories of hope that we hear from all over the continent, despite the many challenges also that bedevil the continent of Africa and the churches are struggling with.
It was good that we came for this preparation. So what I'm taking home, what I'm taking to my region is that we are real prepared as we go to the assembly.
C'est avec joie que les délégués pensent aller à Krakow, pas pour un tourisme, mais pour apporter leur contribution à la marche et à la vie de la communion luthérienne à laquelle l'Afrique appartient.
One body, one spirit, one hope.